want to see what an ugly nerve looks like? Stay tuned. Welcome to the 50 Shades of Pain show, where we empower our community by demystifying pain, both physical and emotional, to give you the tools that you need for optimal health. Hi, I'm Dr. Donish, and I'm the medical director of Wellward here in Lexington. I'm here with Dr. James Escaloni, physical therapist extraordinaire. We're talking about ugly nerves. So we can actually take a look at nerves under an ultrasound and see what they look like. So if somebody's having neuropathic pain, like tingly, burning sensations, things like carpal tunnel, diabetic neuropathy, we can actually visualize those nerves and see what a healthy nerve versus an unhealthy nerve looks like. So I'm going to hit these lights so that we can show you. James, you want to show them what a healthy nerve looks like?
Oh yeah. So, take a look at this. Youth. What did I love to do in the summertime? Eat huge bowls of my favorite cereal, honeycomb cereal. All right, so why is this a great thing, and why am I talking about honeycomb cereal with nerves? Well, take a look at the shape of this delicious cereal that may not be so healthy for you, and take a look at this amazing looking nerve right here. This is a healthy nerve. Look at this kind of honeycomb picture and look at this honeycomb cereal picture. They're very the same. So the happiness I get from eating that delicious cereal is the happiness I get when I see you with a healthy nerve like this. Because if you have some pain and your nerve looks like this, well, this is an easier road for us. We just need to do some stuff to work on the biomechanics, tighten up some ligaments, do some maybe electrical needling around that area, nerve flossing, and get your body feeling healthy again. And that's fantastic. Now, because we work on all of these cases of nerve injuries, sometimes we're not going to see this type of healthy nerve because you've had pain a while. So take a look up here on this big screen. This is what a not so healthy nerve looks like.
Normally we would see a lot of honeycomb, like a lot of fibrous tissue within that black and whiteness. But when that nerve has been injured or compressed or irritated for a long period of time, it's going to lose that nice honeycomb shape. Do you have the healthy nerve up here?
Oh yeah.
So if you want to compare the two, they're out of scale, but here's what a healthy nerve would look like with all those kind of black and whites to them, and here's the unhealthy nerve. Now, in this patient, what we did was essentially do a hydrodissection around that nerve where we're injecting fluid and spreading the tissue around it. And if we wanted to take it a step further, we would inject with platelet lysate or platelet releaseate, which is a type of orthobiologic, meaning a type of growth factor that we can isolate out of your own bloodstream and put it back in and bring the resources needed to get that nerve back in healthy shape.
Mm-hmm. This is great for you guys with pain, and it can make it so that if other people have said you only can get surgery to make yourself feel better, there's another option.
Yep, so if you find this to be helpful, look us up on our website, wellwardmed.com, or just give us a call at 859-275-4878 or 275-HURT, HURT. We'll get you the help that you deserve. So for all of us here at Wellward, I'm Dr. Donish.
And I'm Dr. Escaloni.
And we wish you growth and joy on your Wellward way.